Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the Firebase CRUD operations using the Firestore. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the CRUD operations. So first we add any of the things over here, just title, test1, add the item. Okay, and if I go to the Firebase account, so here we have the first one is this one, and second one we have a test one. Okay, and if I go with add another one, test2, it's added test2. Let's check test2. This is test2 is over here, right? So it's added over here. Now we will try to update that one. So test2 will be update to testing. Now we will update this one, this part, update. Okay, so here we have a test2 previous. Now we will add the test2 update, and I'm going to update this item, test2 update. And if I go over here, now it changes to test2 update, right? So update is also working, but I think clicking on that one, we have to take another key so that this state would be the different one, not adding this one. Okay, so let's try to delete this one. So if I go to delete this one, and here we go with two items is there, that item is deleted, right? So update is there, add is there, delete is there, and listing is also there, right? So let's see how we are going to implement this in the code level. So let's see. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first we have a Firebase. So make sure you have to create the firebase.js file. This is the Firebase import, and this is the Firebase config. How do you get this Firebase config? Go to your account of the Firebase, go to your project settings, go over here, and this is the details. When you create the application over here, you need to just copy this one, APK and all, just paste it over here. Okay, then you need to initialize the Firebase app, Firebase config, then db Firebase Firestore, export that db. And then we have the CRUD components. Okay, and we have a services also, Firestore services. So this is a basically services for getting the items. So db dot collection dot items get snapshot docs map, and returning the data, and if something goes wrong, then error fetching the data. Then we have a add item. So this is add a name and the new item. Okay, then we have a update an item on the basis of the document id, right? Then we have a delete an item on the basis of the document id dot delete. Okay, go to the CRUD part. So here we have Firestore services, get items, add item, update and the delete. Okay, we have the new item, update item, all the state initialized to be blank. Okay, use effect, first fetch data. We are fetching all the data. Right, this is the get items we are calling in the services part. Okay, get items and set the data in the item section. Okay, then we have a handle add item. So whatever we have new item, we set over here, and after that we are blanking that one, and then fetch the data again. Handle update item, on the behalf of the id, we require id and update the item name, and then blank that one, and then fetch data will be called. Then we have a handle delete item. Delete item on the behalf of id, then fetch data again. This is the main input. We have handle add item, right? Okay, so when you click on that one, the handle add item, so it will add a new item over here. Okay, you need to send the new item over here, right? So here we are setting the new item with the e dot target dot value. Whenever there is a change on the text input, so whenever there is a change, any change in the text input, right? So it will set into this state. Okay, after that we will call the handle add item. Handle item will get the new item, and then it will call the API over here and add that one, and then reset the state. Okay, then we have a next, we are mapping the data.map with the item. So here we have item.id, item.name, and input type equal to text value, update item name, on change, set update item name e dot target dot value. So whenever we looping that one, data.map, okay, in the list key we have all the list of that data. Then we have, when we click on the update, so set update item name will call. Okay, this is a state, right? So state, we were setting that state by default it's going to be empty. Whatever it will write over here, then we'll click on the update, then it update that value. Okay, then we have a handle update item. When I click on that one, you need to send the id of that one to update that one, then delete, we'll call that one. Okay, then export that one, and in the app.js file we have use this one CRUD component. Okay, so here you can see, so here we have the data.map item over here. So you can see here we have listing. So if I go over here, this is a listing, this is a listing. So this is the listing over here. Then we have an input. So here we can see that there is an input, right? So whenever we click on that one, so value will be update item on change, set update, this is a state. In that one we are going to set the state whatever we are going to type over here. Okay, whatever we go type over here, when we click on the update, so it will call, and the respective item id will go in that one. Okay, and latest updated state over here, then call this update item collection of the DB store, and then it will update that document. Okay, so this is the process that we are using over here. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.